अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 3.7 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हमारे पास, इन हुक्स लॉ द फोर्स अप्लाइड टू स्ट्रेच अ स्प्रिंग वेरीज डायरेक्टली as the amount of elongation s. So the force is F and the amount of elongation is represented by S. So F is directly proportional to S. So F is equal to Ks, and F is equal to 32 and S is equal to 1.6. So put the values of F and S in equation 1, we get K, which is 20. Now we put the value of K in equation 1, so we get F is equal to 20S. Now for F is equal to 50 and S is equal to question mark, we have to find. So by using equation 2, which is F is equal to 20S, so F हमें 50 given है, तो F 50 equal to 20 at S is equal to 50 by 20, so S is equal to 2.5 inch. Got it? And for S equal to 0.8 and F we have to find, so put in equation 2, we get F is equal to 20 into 0.8, which is equal to 60. So question number 3 which हमारा complete, hopefully आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. Thank you.